MS Excel MCQ Part 2. 1. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft for A. Windows, B. Android, C. iOS, D. all of above. 2. Microsoft Excel up until 2007 version used a proprietary binary file format called _____.xls as its primary format. A. Excel binary file format, B. XML spreadsheet, C. both of the above, D. none of these. 3. What is the intersection of a column and a row on a worksheet called? A. Column, B. Value, C. Address, D. Cell. 4. Which function in Excel tells how many numeric entries are there? A. Num, B. Count, C. Sum, D. Cnum. 5. Which one is not a function in MS Excel? A. Sum, B. Average, C. Max, D. Min. 6. In Excel, columns are labeled as 1. A, B, C, etc. 2. 1, 2, 3, etc. 3. A 1, A 2, etc. 4. A $1, A $2, etc. 7. The greater than sign is an example of operator. A. Arithmetic, B. Logical, C. Conditional, D. Greater. 8. What do you use to create a chart? A. Pie Wizard, B. Excel Wizard, C. Data Wizard, D. Chart Wizard. 9. What type of chart will you use to compare performance of sales of two products? A. Column chart, B. Line chart, C. Pie chart, D. Both A and B. 10. How many sheets are there, by default, when we create a new Excel file? A. 1, B. 3, C. 5, D. 10. 11. What MS Excel feature can you use if you want to work with one record at a time? A. Autocomplete, B. Autofilter, C. Data form, D. All of the above. 12. In MS Excel, value used in a formula that does not change is called a. Cell address, B. Constant, C. Function, D. None of these. 13. In MS Excel, comments can be added to cells using A. Edit, comments, B. Insert, comments, C. File, comments, D. none of these. 14. In MS Excel, two common wildcard characters that MS Excel recognizes are A. Asterisk and B. and C. caret and /. D. none of these. Wildcard characters in Excel are asterisk, asterisk, question mark, and tilde, tilde. 15. How do you insert a row? A. Right-click the row heading where you want to insert the new row and select Insert from the shortcut menu. B. Select the row heading where you want to insert the new row and select Edit, Row from the menu. C. Select the row heading where you want to insert the new row and click the Insert Row button on the standard toolbar. D. All of the above. 16. To create a formula, you first A. Select the cell you want to place the formula into. B. Type the equals sign, happy smiley to tell Excel that you're about to enter a formula. C. Enter the formula using any input values and the appropriate mathematical operators that make up your formula. D. Choose the new command from the File menu. 17. Excel has inbuilt feature which allow you to represent your data in pictorial form called A. Worksheets, B. Charts, C. Database, D. none of these. 18. As text editor is used at MS Word, so is Excel. A. Workspace, B. By worksheets. C. Work area. D. All of these. 19. What is the total number of rows in MS Excel? A. 78,562. B. More than 70,000. C. 63,536. D. 65,556. 20. What location will be described by the cell E14? A. Column E, row 14. B. Column 14, row E. C. Column E. D. None of these. 21. File handle in MS Excel is used to A. Fill data automatically in cell. B. Set up entry key directory. C. Make numeric entry. D. Create shortcut key. 22. Track changes. A. Mark all changes in your current document. B. Mark values you entered. C. Gives you an option to change toolbar buttons. D. None of these. 23. Which of the following is not a basic step in creating a worksheet? A. Save workbook. B. Modify the worksheet. C. Enter text and data. D. Copy the worksheet. 24. The name box. A. Shows the location of the previously active cell. B. Appears to the left of the formula bar. C. Appears below the status bar. D. Appears below the menu bar. 25. Which is used to perform what-if analysis? A. Data table. B. Goal seek. C. Scenario manager. D. All of above. 26. Multiple calculations can be made in a single formula using A. Standard formulas. B. Array formula. C. Complex formulas. D. Smart formula. 27. When the formula bar is active you can see A. The Edit Formula button. B. The Cancel button. C. The Enter button. D. All of the above. 28. In a worksheet you can select A. The entire worksheet. B. Rows. C. Columns. D. All of the above. 29. When you link data maintained in an Excel workbook to a Word document. A. The Word document cannot be edited. B. The Word document contains a reference to the original source application. C. The Word document must contain a hyperlink. D. The Word document contains a copy of the actual data. 30. You cannot link Excel worksheet data to a Word document. A. With the right drag method. B. With a hyperlink. C. With the copy and paste special commands. D. With the copy and paste buttons on the standard toolbar. 31. Which of the following operations moves text from clipboard? 1. Copy. 2. Paste. 3. Drag and drop. 4. Cut. 32. Microsoft Excel, common shortcuts. 1. Ctrl+N equals will open a new Excel document. 2. Ctrl+0 equals will open the open box to open previously saved documents. 3. Ctrl+W equals will close the current Excel document without exiting Excel. 4. Ctrl+S equals to save the currently open Word document. 5. Ctrl+P equals will give the print option for current document. 6. Ctrl+Z equals will undo the last action. 7. Ctrl+Y equals will restore the action undone. 8. Ctrl+X equals will cut selected item. 9. Ctrl+C equals will copy selected text /item. 10. Ctrl+V equals will paste the previously cut /copy selected text /item. 11. Ctrl+N selects the whole document. 12. Ctrl+F equals will open find and replace option / dialog box. 33. Microsoft Excel, insert option shortcuts. 1. Ctrl and K to insert a hyperlink. 2. Alt plus I plus P plus C equals will open the clip art box on the right side of the document. 3. Alt plus I plus P plus W equals will open the Word Art Options box. 4. Alt plus I plus P plus 0 equals will insert an organization flow chart, which you can edit as per your requirement. 5. Alt plus I plus B equals insert a page break. 6. Alt plus I plus H equals opening chart setup wizard. 7. Alt plus 1 plus M equals inserting / attaching a comment to cell on Excel. 8. Alt plus 1 plus R equals insert rows. 9. Alt and I and C insert columns. 10. Alt plus I plus E equals insert cell. 11. Alt plus E plus D equals delete cells / rows / column option is opened. 12. Alt plus I plus F equals open the functions dialog box. Alternatively, function can be added by clicking on FX icon on the toolbar. 33. Excel offers the following major chart types: column chart, line chart, pie chart, donut chart, times, bar chart, area chart, XY, scatter chart, times, bubble chart, stock chart, times, surface chart, radar chart, combo chart.